As much as I like to straighten my hair, I'm a lazy person. Yes, guilty. But I have discovered a straight brush that can straighten your hair in just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard me right, 5 minutes. Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Havila Kunche and you're watching Get Ready with Havila. This channel helps to do your own makeup and hair. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. You will need a straightening brush. I'm using the one by Vega, a hair comb or a hairbrush, 2 hair clips, and a heat protectant. You can use any heat protectant you like. I'm using the one by Matrix. To start off with, I'm gonna take my heat protectant and I'm gonna take 2 pumps and I'm gonna spread it on my palms and rub it all over my hair. You're gonna plug this hair straightener. I have plugged in, and here you have this power button and I'm gonna give it a long press. It is set to 180 automatically, but you can increase or decrease based on these buttons here. And honestly 200 works for me, so I set it to 200, and now I'm gonna set this aside so that it heats up. And in the meantime, I'm gonna brush my hair to remove any tangles. For hairbrush than compared to a hair comb, because it doesn't hurt much when I'm trying to remove all the tangles in my hair. Now I'm gonna section my hair. I'm gonna take this upper part this way, separate it, and hold it into a bun and secure it with a clip. Now I'm gonna take this side. What hand was it again? Yeah, the left side. Now I'm gonna take the left side of my hair and I'm gonna check, and yes, it is set to 200. And I'm gonna use it just like how you use a hairbrush. See? You see that? Okay, just gonna give it a little. And now I'm gonna take this side. And we're gonna repeat the same. Let's see if this is disturbing the camera. This way. Now that we are done with this part, we are gonna clip this. I'm gonna take this upper part and divide it into 2 parts again. Yes. This one I'm gonna roll and clip it up. Now I'm gonna give it a brush. Okay, now this part. I think we are done there. Yeah. Now I'm gonna give a quick brush all over. I like to do this once after we are done. To make sure that everything is set. If there are any sections of my hair that are not done this by mistake or something like that. Yes, and we repeat the same to this side as well. Quick tip from my side would be to roll all your hair into a bun and flip it up for 5 minutes approximately, and that would give you little curls at the end. You see how easy it is, and I'm glad I found that, and I wish you would. If you would like to buy the same straightener, I'm gonna put the link in the description box below and you can check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you have liked it, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button below for more videos like this. See you next time.